Dragon Screed is an innovative machine for laying concrete screed and for simplifying the filling process. It is used as an attachment on any wheeled or tracked hydraulic loader. The equipment ensures more economical use of the concrete mix and more efficient laying due to simultaneous leveling and compaction of the mix. On average, the machine is able to lay about 300 meters of concrete screed per working day. In addition, the device allows stacking the mixture with less amount of water, which affects strength, setting time, and minimizes dependence on weather conditions. A paver can lay an 87 to 264 inch wide compacted screed, which allows laying roads, sidewalks, and platforms. The paver can be loaded either on the side of the traction vehicle or in front. It can also work in confined spaces. Nextrencher D-250. The Nextrencher D-250 is a disc trencher mounted on an excavator, which allows making up to 31-inch long and 5 to 10-inch wide trenches. Specifically designed for trenching in city conditions, the D-250 provides higher performance, either in this specific type of work or on rocky terrain. The main feature of the cutter is that all the soil is removed from the workplace automatically and is supplied by the exhaust hose or conveyor belt to the truck body or straight to a certain spot without clogging up the space around the object. Accurate adherence to the geometry of the trench, clear boundaries, safety, and absence of construction debris at the facility are the main advantages of the soil trencher. Easylift. A wheeled mechanical pavement stacker enables accurate stacking by a single worker, thus removing the load on the lumbar area and hand joints. The Easylift consists of a single-axle four-wheeled cart equipped with pneumatic rollers and the tile lifting device. The size of the tile is adjusted according to the grip reach. The number of tiles per one load depends on the thickness of the plate and is between 1 to 10 inches. Basic configuration of the device can operate with tile sizes ranging in between 12 and 32 inches, and when using an elongated grip, up to 48 inches. The device boosts productivity, reduces the load on the worker, and allows using one device for both transporting and laying the tiles. Transmobil TM is a powerful vacuum conveyor for laying curbstones. Transmobil TM is quite compact and lightweight, therefore it can be transported on a car trailer. The conveyor is adapted for transportation of pallets loaded with curbstone and its simultaneous laying. The chassis equipped with rubber tracks offers excellent maneuverability, and even combined with a vacuum lifter with a lifting capacity of up to 440 pounds when fully loaded, does not harm the soil or the mount. The machine's productivity is up to 500 meters of curbstone per duty. The laying process is simple. A pallet with a curbstone is laid on the chassis, while the worker installs a vacuum grip on the stone, and the operator lifts the curb on the boom and lays it in the prepared spot. FS Skopan. The FS Skopan hydraulic screed is designed as attachments for a hydraulic tractor or a loader with. The main feature of the equipment is the bucket design, which allows performing several operations at once, such as delivery of siftings or sand to the site of the roadway repair, laying and simultaneous leveling. Hydraulic level automatically adjusts the level and size of the layer of bulk material, focusing on the road roller installed at the back. A hydraulic copier connected to the roller completely follows the relief of a given surface. This ensures quick preparing of the surface for asphalting or laying the tiles. Keeroo is a multi-purpose manual grader for loose construction materials. It is used to prepare the base for laying the tiles or asphalting, as well as for arranging the park areas and sports facilities. Thanks to the use of a 2-axle bogie and a long lever, leveling of sand, soil, or rubble becomes quick and simple. The leveling blade can have different widths depending on the model, between 28 and 118 inches, while the Keeroo 700A and 1200A models have got replaceable knives for aligning different sizes, which allows processing both narrow areas and spacious fields. Powerplan PP. Granite, gravel, or sand should be laid as a bed for any road. For this, the Powerplan stacker is used. 2 ultrasonic sensors monitor the installation height of up to 1 millimeter. The machine is driven by only one person. The device is also equipped with tilt sensors and laser level sensors. All information is displayed on the operator's display, and the grader's blade is automatically regulated by a hydraulic drive at the command of the control unit of the alignment system. At the same time, the surface scanning range, 255 inches, is wider than the one being processed, 236 inches, which ensures more accurate alignment between the curves. For operation in underground parking lots or at night, the machine is equipped with 2 types of light sources. In one cycle, the machine aligns the site of up to 8 feet. The processing speed is up to 107,639 square feet per day. R1 Aggregate Chip Spreader is ideal for tar and soft asphalt operations on highways. R1 distributes chip precisely based on the thickness of the coating and exactly observing the boundaries of the lane. It has got an open-type spiral mixer for transporting material at the outer end of the transport bunker. R1 is available in sizes of up to 394 inch wide. The device is designed for easy fixation to the rear of the truck. The bunker can hold up to 7 cubic meters of chipstone. The operator on the 118-inch wide platform can adjust both the thickness of the layer fed to the bitumen base and the density of the layer. The platform has a mixer control level which is necessary for uniform distribution of chip across the width of the grabbed road section. Python 5000 is a machine for partial repair of roads, operated by one person. The machine can repair a medium-sized pothole in less than 2 minutes. The patch's material is of high quality, and often the patch is stronger than the main asphalt. The operator can either refill the container at the nearest asphalt station or use cold mixture that is easily accessible and can be stored indefinitely. Python can work in all weather conditions and has unique ability to repair long cracks on the road during a single cycle. One operator can cover about 3 times the surface or fix 3 times more potholes than the whole crew applying the standard procedure. The machine is equipped with a 173 horsepower diesel engine and can move up to 5 tons of asphalt, 158 liters of bitumen, and 70 liters of water. All operations are controlled from the cabin using a joystick, and all the necessary operational information is displayed on the LCD display.
Guys, thanks for watching us. If the video was interesting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and to turn on notifications in order not to miss the new releases. See you next time.